guys, Jasper here, and today I'm going to be showing you my new bird from 2 days ago, and his name is Buck. He is a cute little guy. Hey, come here. Come here. Good boy. He loves treats. The thing is, he is scared of hands. And I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Want to say hi? Say hi? No? Alright. He's scared of hands. Go ahead and show you guys that. Yeah. Step up. No. Yeah, he's scared of hands. It's the sad part about that. He is a cute little shit, though. Come here, Buck. Come here, Buck. Yeah, before he only had this stupid little bell and this little makeup mirror. He had no other toys, which was sad. Yeah, that's all he had, and for 3 years, and he only had these sticks, this foundation thing, and that bell for 3 years. That's really sad. You can see he had nothing to chew on, so his sticks are all chewed up. It's actually really depressing. Yeah, want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. And so we got him these little bells. Well, the bottom of his cage isn't closed all the way. Yeah, he's a smart little shit. Yeah, he knows he's gonna try to get out again. Yeah, he knows. Damn. Come on. Yeah, okay. Wanna say hi? Say hi? Wanna say hi? Say hi. Say hi to all your fans out there, Buck. Yeah, and earlier we had one of our friends over, and he's a good boy. And he was asking him if he wanted some Jack Daniels. And every time someone says Jack, he would always start going off. And he does laugh. He hasn't talked yet. He whispers some. He does say like parts of words, but we just can't understand what parts of the words they are. Where are you going? Yeah, when he does that, and if we ask him to stop, he doesn't. We will put the sheets over him. Hey, come here. Say hi to your fans. Say hi. And we also got him this thing to chew on here. He has actually nibbled on it a couple times. We also bought him this thing when we first got him. He loves that. He'll chew on it. It has honey in it. Here, want a treat? Treat? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go get him a treat. Yeah, I know. My house is small, but we live in a trailer. Yeah, I'm gonna get you a treat. Don't mind the house, it's kind of a mess. Treat? Yeah, he likes treats. I'm getting him a grape. He likes grapes, but the thing is about birds, you have to peel them, or else he'll choke on the skin. When we first got him, we were feeding him grapes, and I actually thought that he was choking, but no, he just had some skin stuck in his beak, and so I wanted to wait to peel it. I was like, no, he'll be fine. And of course, I didn't listen because I'm not gullible. Now I gotta.
It's okay to be nervous in social situations.
So I gotta hold my phone.
Sometimes too. Now I know what you're thinking. Many people would find that hard to believe because I'm.
Want to talk to your fans?
Talk about I join you in the RV for a nice round of video. Get away from me, you freak.
I have to pick all that up. Here.
Guess I'll go.
Here, Buck. Want a treat? 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 Come on.
Why? Welcome to the King of the Beach. Huh? You heard me. It's time for the King of the Beach competition.
Yeah? You like treats?
No, I can't.
Yeah, he has actually a couple times bit my thumbnail, but that is my fault. But I'd be like, ow, 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 but it wouldn't really hurt. Oh, got the grape. And then he'd actually let go. Here. Treat. I have to go over there. Here, treat. Treat. Want a treat? 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 Treat?
Mr. Steve, sir, it's a real
Yeah, and occasionally he will come over to his mirror. Treat? Treat? No? Alright, I put that here. Yeah, he will. It's funny. He comes over here and he makes out with his little mirror. You can't find any mirrors here in Fairfield, Iowa at Walmart, which sucks. And we're actually really depressed about that. Gotta pick up all these freaking great parts. Yeah, my house is a mess. I know. Yeah? Oh, my freaking cords are getting in the way. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, make the trash can. Yeah, we turn the TV on for him. Yeah. Yeah. You like watching TV? 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 Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Hey, wanna say goodbye? Wanna say bye to your fans? Wanna say bye? Say bye. All right. I will see you guys later.